Woo! It's Monday. It is Monday, and it is not looking good, guys. It is not looking good at all. Let's see what we have here. You know, the markets. So lost here. Sorry, guys. I'm probably going to be messing with this a couple times. I want to see the chat over here, and I'm new on this OBS, but anyways, the markets right now, they're starting to recover a little bit, but they are not looking good. Applied Digital down to 661. Crazy levels. Crazy levels. I mean, that's a good deal right there, 661. You know, guys, the whole market's just absolutely scared of these tariffs, and it's just it's absolutely, you know, Nvidia down to 115. It's climbing though, you know, so that's a good sign. We want Nvidia to come back up. We want the big names to come back up just so we can have this market come up. But you know, SoFi, it dropped down to, you know, it's still under 15. It was down to almost below 14 at one point in time. I don't know why that switched into Nvidia. I got it on SoFi here, but maybe Nvidia is trying to tell me something. It's up over $116 back, so it's getting back up there. That's what we need it to do. We need to because these are very overblown. I mean, the market, oh my goodness, look at that. But that's, I think, this is what you're going to see all day. I think you're just going to see these kind of candles. Fubo, $3.89. It's under $4. I always like Fubo under $4. Archer Aviation, $8.86. I was working up on $5. Give me 1 second. Let me check my stocks here. HOLO Stock. Let's see what we got. Sitting at $1.42, guys. I mean, now granted the whole market's down, but you know, sometimes that's when I think this stuff will pop, is when the market's down. You know, it sure would be nice if it would pop when the market's down, because I've got all kind of calls out there, and that's the problem with playing calls and puts. You just got to be careful playing calls and puts, because this market can change on a dime. You know, sometimes I think it's just better to hold the shares. But I've made some videos about how you have to be careful in calls and puts, because I've made a lot of money in calls and call options, and you know, just options period, and then I've lost a lot of money in options. So overall, probably come out maybe a little bit ahead, but I'm definitely a lot more ahead on just holding stock. But let's see. So we have somebody on here. Thanks for joining. Who's ever on here with me? We're going to hopefully have a fun day. Hopefully this market comes to its senses and turns around here. But I do have a little strategy here. I take the first 5 minutes of the opening candle, get the highs and lows, then I take it down to the 1 minute and kind of see the trend, and I'll kind of show you guys how it works as I go on. Just waiting for some people to get on here. But Nvidia, it's falling back down. I don't know why my candles keep getting all messed up like that. I don't know why they do that. It really gets on my nerves. I say that every stream. I don't know. But it's got a lot of, looks like Christmas time in Nvidia land. Applied Digital, $6.62. SoFi working back up to that $15 level. Tesla is just, you know, all the vehicle sectors took a huge hit on Friday, and then it looks like it's going to continue today. Tesla sitting at under 390. AMD at 113. Palantir was at $77, but it's moved back up to $80.28. Palantir is a tough stock. I mean, I think the price to earnings is still really ridiculous on Palantir, but I just think there's so much potential. I think that company is a really good company that's just starting to take off. You know, it was $85 last week, and like I said, this market is down today. Let's see what the SPY is. Yeah, SPY is down $9.83, so $1. It's down over 1.5% today. The QQQ, it's down 1.8%, so it was down quite a bit, and it's came back up. It was down 2.83%, so it's came up 1%. Now it's just kind of sitting steady. But HOLO Stock sitting at $1.42, not doing much of anything. Surprise, surprise, surprise. Look at these baby candles for microcloud hologram. I mean, but you know, we have about 18 minutes till the market opens, and we will see what goes on. Just trying to see something here. I mean, everything's down in the market though. Let's see. Gold looks good. It's probably where people are going with the market. There is a gold company. I'll have to take something off here. Let's take off. That's HKD. What is that? Was that something I was looking at? I don't know. I'll take that off, and I'm going to add ticker symbol GOLD. Now, it is Barrick Gold Corporation, but it pretty much tracks gold. And I think in times like these, when the market is going crazy, I think you're going to get a lot of people looking to this stock. So let's say, for example, it's still down. Well, it's actually up pre-market, up 6 cents, you know, 0.37 cents. But I could see this one maybe, you know, having some action with the market being like it is till we get these tariffs settled. As you can see, it was sitting up here at 16.85. We had a high at 16.92, so almost 17 bucks. So it has room to move, and I think till the market calms down, you know, that would be a good place to go. Same thing, don't forget about SQQQ too, the inverted stock market. So, you know, it's up 5% today just because the market is terrible, and that may not be a bad one to get into today either. It just depends. I always wait till 10 o'clock to kind of see. I think, first off, especially on Mondays, and especially after big news like, you know, Trump, and then people see the stock market open up at 8 o'clock last night, and they see, you know, Nvidia dropping to $115, and I think a lot of people get scared. So I think basically the first half hour, I think, is people either, you know, buying the cheap prices or selling the cheap prices. You can't really get a good feel on it, I feel, till about 10 o'clock. I think they call it the 10 o'clock rule, to be honest with you. I think there's such thing called a 10 o'clock rule, and then there's an 11 o'clock rule that basically says if you know, if it's going down and it hasn't started going up by 11 o'clock, it's pretty much going to keep going down. Or if it's going up and hadn't started going down by 11 o'clock, it's probably going to continue to go up. So I kind of work off those things. I definitely don't do a lot till 10 o'clock. I kind of try to get my lines, you know, just the highs and lows of the first 5 minutes. Then I go down to the minute candles, and if it breaks that, you know, little box that I have there, that's when I'll take a position. This morning, I'm going to try to, like I said, I'm going to give the market till 10 o'clock, but I'm hoping some of these prices will come up because I've got a lot of calls. I've got NVIDIA calls, Applied Digital calls. I do got gold calls, the Barrick gold. I've got a HOLO call, an AMD call, a SoFi call, a ChargePoint call, which I am up in ChargePoint because it just fell under $1. I mean, man, it's worth $1. And then I've got I've sold 3 puts on Applied, 2 on 4 total, 3 on Applied and 1 on SoFi. And I'm down in those right now too, so it hasn't been fun. But you know, if the market continues to go down, guys, SQQQ, that's another good one where you can just kind of bet against the market. I've got 2 views so far. Average view duration 2 minutes and 50 seconds. So hey, the people that were on there, I don't think I have anybody now, but I appreciate the 5 minutes you listened to me in total. It's going to get better. It's going to get better. But HOLO Stock, this is another one, guys, Fubo. I really like Fubo stock. Let's just take a look at it while we're sitting here talking. You know, they made that deal with Disney, and Disney wants them to perform too. Where were we? We were down to $1 1 month out. Here we go. This is when I was in Fubo. $1.42, $1.46, right around here. So this was one of my better trades ever. I bought at the bottom and then shot up. Look at that. I woke up and I was up like $3,000. Wish I would have done a call option, but that is crazy. That is crazy. And so anyways, but it made the high at $6.59. Then obviously, let's see, since then, it's just continued to go down. I think that's it, isn't it? Yeah. So it's got a lot of room to grow here, guys. I mean, this was support before the Disney deal. So I would say support after that is going to be at least, I would say here, maybe 285, if it even falls to that. But let's just say it is. So then take that, really come out of that. See, trying to make some lines here. Why it's putting it down? Oh, I know why. You piece of shit. Junk. You piece of junk. Anyways, we want it to go like that. Which today is going to be a hard day to do that, I think. unless the market just absolutely changes its attitude right now, because it's not looking good. Let's see what HOLO, come on, $1.39. Boy, guys. Microcloud hologram. Boy, you just kick us where the sun don't shine, don't you? I mean, that is pretty damn ridiculous, if you ask me. And a 6 month chart, I mean, you don't even want to look at it. I mean, am I crazy for being in it? It's crazy to think the United States is in a trade deficit with almost every country uses bad views. I believe that for sure, and I think that's what we're seeing in the markets today. You know, I think in the long term this is going to be a great thing. I know it's going to be a great thing for America, because we've been getting ripped off for years, so we need somebody to make people pay. But I think as far as the market goes, it's scaring the bejesus out of people. I don't really understand why, to be 100% honest with you, but you know, we're gonna come through. That's for sure. You know, we always do. I'm pulling up a 1 year chart, a microcloud hologram. I don't know why this is. All these lines. Some of these lines up here. Hey Kim, no, it's not looking good, is it? I mean, what's new? But you know what? It is getting to a point where it's getting pretty low. I would think it would start doing something here soon. I'm trying to clean up this chart so I can get to it. But yeah, we just had a huge, I mean, look at that volume candle coming in there. We got 7 minutes till the market opens. It's sitting at $1.39. Yeah, Kim, I made a video, because same thing. I said I was going to hold on to it, you know, till, you know, the Chinese New Year's was definitely disappointing. We didn't get the pump. I didn't know if we would get the pump, just because that's when everybody was expecting it, and you know how that goes. Everybody would have jumped on. We do have some green coming in though now. I mean, got a little bit of buying volume coming in here, but well, $1.39. You know, we could get back down to $1.25. Truly, I mean, there was support at $1.25. So even when I say $1.39, it can't go much lower. It still could go 14 cents lower. I have been dollar cost averaging. I mean, and I'm going to do it till man, the market's absolutely just in the red right now. But I think I'm going to do it till I get out of the position, at least. You know what I mean? Hey, what's up, Noah? Yeah, too diluted. Yeah, you're telling me. I mean, that's the problem, you know, because really, you know what, when we did the 6-to-1 split, oh man, no, I hate to hear that. I hate to hear that. I lost a little bit because I had a big position. I took my loss fairly early and then got back in, waited to the price drop. So I'm actually, and actually I got a killer level now, but I'm still down. Let's see what I have. What's my average now? Because I've been averaging down. So my average is $1.67, and that was pretty good a week ago. Yeah, no, you know, that's the thing. Well, this is the thing. We've got to figure out. Let's give it through February. No, if you don't want to put any more money into it, I understand, Kim. You know, when your average is that big, same thing. It all depends on how much money you've got invested into it. Because you know, you throw another $1,000. If you have $12,000, $15,000, $20,000 invested to it, it don't really move the price much. So at this point, you almost got to take what you can get. And if it does have one more pop, maybe we get out. But I'm just hoping we do got two green candles coming in here, so maybe it can do something. You know, let's see if anything else. What's Nvidia sitting at? 114, so it's falling back down. Applied Digital 650. This is another another ticker, guys. I mean, this. I'm telling you, what was this? It's just, I think it was just given $14 for the. Come on, that's going to run right. $25K. So Applied Digital, they just said it was worth $10 a share, sitting at $6.50. This is one I buy options and puts on all the time and always clean up. This is one of my favorite stocks as far as playing options. And I think in the long term, you know, at $6.50, you sell some covered puts. You know, it would cost you $650 to sell a covered put. But if you took So if you wrote a put on Applied Digital, just talking about other stocks here, guys, why HOLO is just kind of doing number 2 right now. Let's see, Applied. Okay, Applied Digital. So if you wanted to sell, because sometimes, guys, we can be Vegas instead of betting what we think these stocks are going to do. So Applied Digital, you know, sell a put, so it's $6.50, okay? So it costs, you have to have 100, you'd have to have the equivalent to buy 100 shares at $6.50. So what you would do is go to trade options. I would take it out to January 16th, 2026. If you think the stock's going to hit $10, which it's going to hit $10, no financial advice, you know that, but it's a data center. AI is going to pick up. All this stuff with Trump is scaring people off right now. It might be like this for the next couple days, you know, but the market will turn, will continue to go up. It's a good market, guys. What we have going on right now is a good thing, but people are just scared. But a $10 put would pay you $450. All you got to do, so for $650 you make $450. That's a pretty good return. And that's one I really like. You know, another, you know, you take this out to April. If you wanted to buy a call, you know, a call option, break even $7.86. It will definitely hit that by April. Mark my words, it will. No financial advice, but just my belief. And it's only $177. And for some reason, by April, if that shot up, you know, no, it won't even give me that high. If it shot up to 10, you'd be making good money. The Kim about 25K. you know, the thing is, I don't know what to tell you there. You know, it's hard because when you have that big of a position, you have to throw so much more money in to make a, you know, dent in that average. So even though at $1.39, I think you had a 35, I think it was $35 a share or something, I can't remember, like something like that, but $1.39 shares are going to help, you know. So the market's open, guys. Market is open. Let's see what this does here. Here's the rest of the market if you kind of want to keep your eyes on it over here. I have to get on this real quick and try to get out of some of these positions I'm in. Not a whole lot of positions I think I'm going to be able to get out of. And look at applied. That's what I'm saying, guys. It's just, I love applied. Love applied digital. I mean, why can't HOLO do that, guys? That's what I'm saying. I mean, this, and this does this a lot. I mean, you guys, if you haven't paid much attention to this stock, watch this stock. I'm telling you, it's one of my favorites. Applied digital. Let's see what Palantir is doing. It's dropped back under 80. Huge selling candle coming in right there. Fubo. It's headed on its way up back over 4. HOLO, come on, baby. What are we doing, HOLO? It's $1.42. We got a decent green candle. I mean, I'll take that right now. So what I do is the first 5 minutes, I wait for the first 5 minutes. We still got, you know, 1 minute and 44 seconds, and I'll take the high and mark it. And then whenever it gives me the low, which right now is right here, and then once I get those set, I will go to the 1 minute time frame, and it's kind of gives you direction on what's gonna go on. I'm so sorry to keep getting on my phone, but I got to check a couple things out here. Applied, I had a put on a applied digital. I don't know if it's going to drop or not here. Right, Kim. If you can just get most of it back, and I have been in those positions too, where honestly AMC was one of them. I got down so much I finally just had to cut my losses and move on. And because of that, wow, applied is really moving. And because of that, I actually made quite a bit of money. Okay, so here's the first. Made quite a bit of money when I finally got out of AMC and moved on to better plays. Okay, so here's the first 5 minutes, guys. So I got the bottom tail here, top tail there. Boy, applied is looking good. It's looking good. Okay, let's see what HOLO is doing. We got that, we got that. So now we take it down to the 1 minute. And what we want to do is see HOLO go this way, maybe come back down and close, and then go back up this way. If we can get that, I always look for buy signals. Perfect. Indicators. I think it's super trend. Oh, absolutely, Noah. Absolutely, Noah. If it goes below $1, adios. Yeah, adios. I'm going to keep it up here for a second, guys. We gotta walk away, come back. I'm going to grab me some coffee. I'll be right back. Hopefully I come back, something's better. Can't get much worse. Gracious, let's hope something came back since something happened since I left. No. Yeah, Kim, if it goes below $1, you sold, Noah? Yeah, look at that big red candle coming in there. What, I mean, what's it sitting at? This is ridiculous. $1.40. Nvidia, let me do something real quick on the 5-minute charts. You had Nvidia's in a sell. Like digital, it's falling back to earth. SoFi is falling back down. AMD, Palantir is falling back down. I mean, everything is just falling, guys. I mean, everything is falling. Pretty ridiculous, if you ask me. I am going to buy some HOLO stock because I do like that price. Let's see. Fubo TV COO sells shares under trading plan. Snapchat's another one. I like to see it fall farther down, but no, okay, let's see. So I'm down so much. If it pumps $9, just ain't worth my time. Been holding the year. I need at least 10, yeah. And no, I'm with you. I don't want to kill people's hopes here, but I was thinking probably the top it could go this time. I mean, the best case scenario is, maybe $60. I was hoping maybe it could get to 30, but same thing. I've been holding on to it a long time. I've got a really low average, but I will be, and no false hope. I'm in it with you guys. I'm honest to goodness, I'm just like you guys. I've been holding on to this stock, waiting on the pop. I've lost so much money. I was just like you. I sold out of a bad position, and then I got back in at what I thought was a good position, $1.67. And you know what? You guys know the name of the game. It just keeps falling. What I don't want to miss out on is, NCI, Kim, I'll take a look at that. But what I don't want to keep, that's why I set an end date. I'm going to hold it through February, maybe the first week or two of March. But if we still see it keep dropping, if it gets below $1, it's like you said, it's done. It's already done that once, and they had to do the reverse split to get it back over to meet SEC regulations. And if it keeps doing it, it's just a scam. But we're just hoping to be in it for one more pop. I'm going to be in it till the end of February, which is 28 days, and maybe the first week or two of March. If it hasn't done anything by that, I'm taking my losses and I'm moving on to something I really like. I know I keep talking about it, but I really like Applied Digital stock. I really like Fubo stock in the future. Johnson & Johnson, you have turned me on to, Noah, because that's a good dividend stock too, and it has been in the tank for a while, so it's that's a good company, and it's down quite a bit. So my theory is that a complete inside scheme, and it got traction since the last pump, so they're not messing with it anymore because of all the talk on Twitter and Reddit. Right. I just made a video on that. We've had all kind of news come out. We've had more news come out in the last 3 weeks than we have in the last 6 months, and it's nothing. We did see the boost, the jump to 9, and guys, I mean, I see what you guys are thinking with a higher average. I did sell some at 9. I sold a lot. I sold at 9, sold at 8 something, and I think I sold at 7 something and kept the rest. Yeah, no, you very well could be. These Chinese stocks, they love to see pumps, but not for the investors. For the insiders that hold that stock is what it is. Palantir dropped back under 80. Palantir has earnings today. Boy, that's an interesting one. What do you guys think on Palantir as far as earnings? Do you guys think they're going to go up, or do you think they're going to go down? NCI. Let me check out NCI here. What's NCI, Kim? Kim, have you been into NCI for a while? There's another one that, well, was really up there. Whew. $11.40 when? April of 24. It's had a few spikes. Let's see. Where did it start at? $1.10. That low. Jumped up. Yeah, that's not a bad one, Kim. You guys have any opinion on Palantir earnings? Because I don't know if I should buy a call or a put, or just leave it alone, you know. I don't know. That's a scary one. I mean, is the price already cooked in? I mean, it's right at $80. I mean, that's and falling. Jeez, there's a lot of lines here. You can tell I like Palantir stock. There's a lot of different lines on here. Get these off here. Yeah, Kim, Palantir is a really, I love Palantir long term. It's just with this market, earnings are just scary to go into. I mean, it's definitely probably not a good time to do a call or a put, but if you're right, boy, it can be an exciting after hours. But Palantir, sitting at 85 last week, it made an all-time high 85, and it was just down to $66, I think, a couple weeks ago. It wasn't $42, that's a long time ago. Yeah, 66 in November, so. Fubo needs to do something. I mean, they're worth more than $3.85. Yeah, 66-cent average. It's I like NCI. It's not looking too strong today, but nothing is looking too strong today. It shows right now it's in a sell. It's another one, guys. Another good one. I've mentioned it a couple times. It's called Dave. It is a online banking company started by a couple guys, but it's really grown. But as you can see, it was sitting at $40 October, and just the other day it was $108. It's I really like that stock as well. Finger, I was talking to somebody who was in this stock. I think it's another Chinese company, Finger Motion. I think they had a $1.56 average, I think, if I can remember right. But yeah, guys, nothing. I mean, the whole entire market's just red. I mean, I probably need to buy a put somewhere just to kind of do something, but I mean, I just don't see Nvidia going much lower than $113. I really don't. I do got a that gold, this one here, what is it called? Barrett Gold Corporation, because I do think gold, you know, obviously goes up when the market goes down, so I'm up 11 bucks on that, but it was a cheap call to buy. It only cost me 60, so it's 20% almost. I've got to figure out. I'm in so deep with these Nvidia calls. It's just I can't pull out at $1.13. But a lot of them expire February 21st. One of them expires February 7th. I mean, that one's pretty much just gone. I mean, the break-even price $156. I mean, it's not gonna get there. Terrible, guys. I don't even know if I did this one. I mean, Nvidia is so far down here. Give me a break. Hold on one second, guys. I got my daughter. Hold on one second. Be right back. Oops, sorry guys, I left you on the wrong screen. That's no good. Hold on. Let me get you to the right screen. What am I doing? I left you, you can't even see what's going on with the market. That was mean. Well guys, I am going to bring in my daughter for a second, and I'm hoping she can bring us some good luck. Hold on one second, let me get my screen fixed up here. I want to see the chat. And maybe make my box a little smaller. There we go, and you see more of that chat. Okay, now I'm going to bring my daughter in here. Her name is Mackenzie, and she is my sweet little angel. She's my little stock angel, and she is going to make these stocks go up. So Max, say ooga booga wazam wazo and make these stocks go up, especially this one right here.
Say what?
Whatever you can say to make this stock go up.
Good luck on your stocks.
Okay, that's great. And what about like a spell?
A spell?
Like ooga wazooga wadzam.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo.
Okay, let's do it.
Yeah.
Bibbidi bobbidi boo. I think that I heard that before. I think from somewhere, but
No idea.
I know. But look, Kim says not a good day, and it's not a good day. Even though
But days get better.
days get better, and we are seeing a
When it
green
goes
candle
down,
here.
it always comes back up eventually.
That's
I think.
Most of the time.
Most of the time.
Except HOLO just seems to always go down. And now we do have it come up every once in a great while. Let's see what this next candle does. This is a big candle. Come on. Is it going to be red or green, Max?
Green.
It's going to be green. We want green. We want a big green candle up to here. You know, still be way below our averages. But it takes forever to give us that next candle. There we go. It's still at the same price. See those little candles right there? You can barely even see them.
I can.
Yeah, little dots. But this is Mackenzie. You're more than welcome to sit in here all day and stream with me if you want to. I got a lot of people. I do got some people that join me pretty good. But right now, I've got only one person hanging with me, and I don't know who that person is, but I appreciate it. I really, really do appreciate
And I hope
it.
all your stocks go up. All of them.
Thank you. And they oh look, Max, look what you're doing.
There you
It
go.
just moved it. All right.
I love you.
Okay, I love you too. Let's keep it going. Bye, baby.
Bye.
And that was my daughter. She actually is the mom of the stock kitty. She pretty much takes care of the kitty cat. Come on, microcloud. We have absolutely no volume in here. 3.41 in volume. Not good. Not good. But hey, you know, a green candle is a green candle. I'll definitely take a green candle. Let's see what it did when market opened. Here's market open. Okay, I already marked it. Okay. So then we take it down to the 1 minute. Okay, so it's right at today's high. So if we can come above this, and then if we come back down and close and then go back up, we're looking pretty good. Come on, let's give us a day. Let's give us a day, HOLO. We need it. We all need it. Oh, thanks, Kim. I'll tell her. She said, you said hello. I think we're on a delay, so by the time I see your message, she's been gone. But I will definitely tell her to say hello. I said you was one of my favorites. Maybe you was. I think you're the only one that's still on with me, Kim, and I appreciate it. Not that I don't appreciate all the other ones. I appreciate anybody who gets on, tunes into this exciting live stream. Come on, microcloud. $1.45, Kim. That's what we want. Oh, look at that one. Keep it going. Mackenzie does bring good luck. It is, Kim. I appreciate it. We got you, Noah, Carlos. There was another guy that got on here one time, was having a good time, but I think he works. I don't know. Come on, don't fall, microcloud. Keep going up. Keep going in that direction. Keep going in that direction, microcloud. Sometimes these candles take forever to pop up. Trying to see how quick the computer is as opposed to my We definitely need more volume to come in though, Kim. Sitting at 3.47 million. And that's the thing. And if I'm in a position like you, Kim, I'm really definitely frustrated because you're just. And then, you know, that old saying, the minute you sell is when it'll pop, you know, and that would make you absolutely sick. Come on, microcloud. Oh, there it goes, dropping back down. Just can't make up its mind what it wants to do. It can't, does it, Kim? Every day. Every day. Just can't seem to make up its mind. Still in the green. I mean, we had a sell signal at $1.40. We never got another buy signal. So now what we want is, you know, a candle to close down here. Then we want it to come back up. If it can come back up and get back above this green line, we're in good shape. If it continues to drop, we're not in such good shape. So let's see what it does here. Another candle's about to pop up anytime. Come on, HOLO. Can't even see where the candle is. There's this. We want this little green dot right there to turn into a green candle that closes above this. And then keep climbing. You know, Kim, it sure would be nice, like, you know, you see these other stocks that run into halts and trades, you know, they go up 100% in a day, and, you know, man, HOLO will do that one of these days. I truly believe in that, but I just got a doji candle on that one. See what we're going to do. Give us a candle, guys. Give us a candle. Man, it takes forever for these candles. Let's see what we got on the 5-minute here. I'm good. Guys, 1 second, okay? I gotta take this phone call. Hold on 1 second. Hello? did make my stocks go up. Trying to mute this for people don't hear my conversation, but I don't know how. Hold on 1 second. Oh, no, it's okay. Desktop audio. Desktop audio. Oh yeah, no. Hold on. I'll talk to you for a second. I got Kim hanging on here with me. She's my biggest fan. I appreciate you, Kim. Kim, I'll be right back. My wife's on the road. I'm just going to talk to her for just a second. Make sure I have microcloud hologram up there. I don't try to depress you too bad, but if anything else goes on, Kim, you want to see, you just let me know. I just made me some more coffee. Even a good guess. All right, I'm trying to HOLO Stock up to $100 yet. Oh, $1.43. I mean, he was looking so good there for a second when he was up to $1.45. Yeah, just everything's down. SQQQ just keeps going up, which means the market's not, you know, it's hoping the market would like to change here in a second, get it some. I mean, look at Nvidia. Kim, this is a deal right here, $114.31. Yeah, Nvidia at 114 and applied at $6.88. I mean, that's a those are good prices. I just Fubo under $4. NCI, let's see, NCI. Starting to fall still a little bit. Bitcoin is coming back up. It was at 93,000, which was, I thought, was pretty crazy. If I would have thought about it, I would have bought some this morning, but I didn't think about it. Darn it. I like Bitcoin. I like Bitcoin. Anytime Bitcoin drops down, I think Bitcoin's here to stay. I think AI is here. It's going to make a big difference in the world. I really do. I don't know if it's a good or bad difference. I think it's going to be a little bit of both. I think it's going to be some good and going to be some bad. It could get scary if we don't have some control over it. Not as scary as HOLO Stock. That just keeps dropping. But boy, guys, wouldn't it be nice if we was in a stock that, well, really, the thing is today there's nothing. I'm in this stock that's up, but it's starting to fall back. Yeah, HOLO earnings, Kim. It says, let's see when they say HOLO earnings are. Let's see, does it say down here? Let's see when the earnings are. Next earnings report in 9 days. Now let's see if they hold true to that, because, you know, supposedly earnings was going to be in October, then it was going to be in December, and it never happened. So, you know, strange. I don't even see how that's possible. How they couldn't have earnings. CI. United States Oil Fund is up a little bit, but got a buy signal at that's Friday the 31st. Yeah, it keeps changing. It's changed so many times. And if it, same thing, it says it's in 9 days. If it doesn't give earnings, it's just not a good sign for the company at all. Keep getting notifications on my phone. It just keeps telling me stocks are down. But Palantir's about to fall under $79. Or yeah, about to fall under $79. AMD down there at the basement, not getting any buy signals. Did get a buy on Palantir, but Problem is, I just don't have a whole lot of money to play with right now. It's Palantir. Do we have a buy on Palantir anywhere? No. It's in the red. SoFi. About SoFi, because SoFi this morning was $14. It's just going to be a rough day in the market today. Last couple days has not been fun. I mean, look at QSI down 10%. I mean, Archer Aviation down 7%. Yeah, Kim, most of my money is tied up in calls, and I don't want to sell right now because it's about the worst time to possibly ever sell, I would think, and so I don't want to do something stupid just to get some money back. But I'm not going to right now. Just not going to. Archer Aviation, though, is just sinking. Johnson & Johnson only down 0.5% today. Did get the buy signal on Johnson & Johnson. Yeah, I just don't have anything I want to sell. Let's see what AMD's doing. Yeah, just boy. I think SoFi was the only one with the buy signal on. Gave a buy signal at 1508 and 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40 minutes later it's sitting at 1508. So let's see what else we got. Yeah, Cam, there's nothing going on. Me too. I've been looking on my phone as well. I mean, I think the whole market's just scared. They don't know what's going on, with what's going to happen with all these tariffs, which I don't understand the big deal. I mean, I do, but I think long term it's a good thing. I really do. But yeah, there's just nothing going on. I mean, you know, you have in my screeners we have 1, 2, 3, 4 stocks that's over double digits, and I've never heard of any of them. So I don't really want to do that. I don't see any good stocks on there that I know off the top of my hand. Sala. Yeah, it's crazy. It is crazy. Kinross Gold is up 2%. Johnson & Johnson's got another buy signal here. it's tough, guys. It is tough. It is tough. And Johnson & Johnson's looking okay. That's about the only one. Johnson. Kim, what else are you in outside of HOLO, and what's your favorite stock? Like, what's the stock that you've done the best in so far? And I do appreciate you hanging out with me. I'm probably going to cut off here about 10:30. I was going to try to run till 11, but nothing's going on. It's just, if anything, it's getting, I mean, it's starting to, market's starting to come up a little bit, like Nvidia. It's a nice green candle there. We definitely need Nvidia and Tesla to come back in. You know, Apple. Had 12 views. How long has this thing been going on? Probably been going on a couple hours, I would think. Normally I do a little bit better than that, but that's okay. I got Kim with me. So Kim, what do you have left in HOLO? Like, is it still a decent amount of money that you could, if you did get out of it, you could get into something else, like something that's not as possibly as shaky as HOLO? I mean, if you could turn around and get in something else and make that money back. You know, HOLO is just such a crazy stock, you know, and I just don't, you know, like Friday I was frustrated with it, and then it was down to $1.51. I'm like, guys, this is gonna pop. It's, you know, it's gonna bottom out and then it's gonna pop. It is, you know. I don't know if we're gonna get a $35 bounce, you know. I mean, and the $9 bounce, you know, with all this dilution, it's hard to tell, you know, what's what. But thousands not bad. I hate to say that, but you know, I'm down more than 1,000 in the Nvidia call that I have. But you know, so sometimes you take it out and you look for other stocks that have potential, you know, but still cheap stocks that you can make money on, like, you know, Applied Digital. That's another good one. Oh, $1,000, and I got you. So your 730 shares are worth about $1,000. Yeah. Kim, all we gotta do is just hope things come through and work itself out, and you know, maybe something will come through here. You know, you just don't know with this stock. It's up to $1.45, and it's been the high today, I think. Let's go back to HOLO real quick and check it out. Now it's back down to $1.43. There we go, $1.45. We got a buy signal on it, Kim. Now if we can just keep going. Got my coffee. How do I forget my coffee every time? $1.45, high of the day. We got a buy signal. Good, Kim. That's the way to do it. You know, just keep your head up and keep with that positive attitude. Keep up with that positive attitude. Maybe that positive attitude will get this thing to do something here. Did get a buy signal on the 5-minute. $1.46. There's a new high. $1.46. That's a new high. $1.47. Let's keep it going. Just keep shooting up. $1.48. Hey Kim, you never know. It might be today. This might be the start. Wouldn't that be something? Wouldn't that be something? It's only down 2% now. It was started the day out $1.42, $1.39. These are the 1-minute candles. The 5-minute candles do give us a buy signal. I know it's disappeared. Yeah, there it is. Buy signal right there. So that's good. Let's see what it's done in my. Has it broke out of my range yet? Okay. So where's the range? And this was today. Okay, so that was. Yeah, Kim. So see, this is what I do. So see, we marked the high and the low at the market close, and the 5-minute candles went down to 5 minutes. This is what I like to do, and it seems to have worked out today. But okay, so the high and low of the first 5-minute candle of the market was there. Must have been a 1 minute candle or something. The first 5 minute is there. Oh, goodness gracious! Are we up to here? Yeah, Monday the 3rd. Okay. I don't know how I messed up on that so bad, but anyway, so then you, after you get those set, take it down to the 1 minute candles. And then you've got your range. Right here. Which truly, if that's the case, it still hasn't broke out yet. I thought it did break out, so it was kind of exciting for a second, but it's still in this range. In a minute, the minute candles, it gave us a sell signal there. 5 minute candles, and gave us a buy signal here. So we're just working off that right now. While we're looking at that, let's see what else. Looks like the market's starting to come back. Nvidia's up to 116. It's coming in strong. Applied Digital, it is going straight up. That's what we need HOLO to do. SoFi, it's going up. Tesla is going up. AMD going up. Palantir is going up. So the market is turning around a little bit. Archer going up. Depot going up. Let's see how Home Depot has been doing this past year. This is a Home Depot is a monster stock. Nice. That's a year, guys. Oh. Well, well, well. Looking at trying to find something here. SQQQ is starting to fall back down, so that's a good thing for the market. Maybe the market will turn around sometimes, but you know, $1.47 on HOLO. What we don't want to happen, oops, day candles. Oops, fall below our 2 marks. We don't want, if we fall below this, then we're definitely on a downward pattern. So we want it to keep going up this way, which I don't know where my other line went. Where did my other line go, guys? What in the world? I'm just taking my line off. Why? Yeah, we wanted to get up here. That's what we wanted to do. That's what we wanted to do, Cam. $1.46. We only have 4 million in volume. That's not going to do it today, guys. That is not going to do it today. Not going to do it. While we're sitting in here in this piece of junk stock, Applied Digital, I mean, it was, I don't know, this is what I'm saying. We've got to start using our brains here. We got to, if HOLO doesn't do something, I mean something drastic here in this next month, I'm moving on. I hate that. HOLO almost feels like a part of my life anymore. But it's not going to continue that. We're going to have a really bad divorce if it keeps going this way. Digital. I'm telling you, I really like this stock. It reminds me a lot of Palantir when it first came out. AIs are going to need data centers, and they build and construct and repair data centers. So yeah, Kim, me too. Me too. Microcloud hologram just does not seem to be moving. Just sitting in the same exact place. Like I said, we had a buy signal. Let's see. We still got the buy signal on Microcloud hologram. We haven't lost the buy signal yet. We got 20 seconds left to go with this 5-minute candle, and if we don't get price action in the next few minutes, I am going to jump off here, and I've got to take my daughter Mackenzie and her boyfriend up to get their haircut, at least her boyfriend's haircut, and then when I get back, if I get on here and anything's happened, I will definitely make another live stream. That 5-minute candle just ended. Let's see where we're at with the next candle. It does take a second for these candles to pop up. Come on. It takes forever to give a candle. I just don't even understand why the candles don't pop up. There's a nice green candle there, though. If you just get more of that. Getty, it's moving up. We're sitting at $11. So it looks like the market is trying to turn. Can't tell by watching HOLO Stock, but you got another little green candle there, though. Let's go, HOLO. Come on. Give me up over $1.50 and I'll stay on. got 3 minutes to get over $1.50. Yeah, Kim, they do have a crap ton of money. It makes you wonder what they're doing with it. Like I said, they have had some good legit news. They've had the quantum news. They've had the, the short interest news. They carry all that cash. It's the DeepSeek news, partnering with DeepSeek. I mean, that would, and it's it's hologram technology, which is really cool. You don't see a whole lot of it. That's the thing that worries me too. You don't see a whole lot of holographic technology, but I do think we're just not in that time yet. I do think you will see that. I mean, who's to say you couldn't have Aerosmith performing in your bedroom with a hologram coming out of your phone or something? I think it could have some really cool things, but I just don't know what they're doing outside of just steadily sitting at $1.47. If there's any news on them today. HOLO Stock news. One week, 2 weeks, 1 month, 3 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, September 29th, 3 weeks, 2 weeks. Microcloud hologram unveils groundbreaking quantum encryption protocol for data privacy. Microcloud 1 week ago announced that it expects to receive $36.8 million in funding January 19, 2025, because of the convertible note purchase agreements. So nothing new. It says HOLO, this is 12 hours ago, HOLO to hold live stream on YouTube on February 12th. That's curious. HOLO will conduct a live stream on YouTube on February 12th at 15. This event is expected to cover recent developments and plans. Refer to the official tweet by Hot. Live stream alert. Join us February 12th for our not even microcloud hologram. I don't even think that's microcloud hologram. I think that's a different. It doesn't say microcloud hologram. No, that's like crypto. Man, that got me excited for a second. But of course, I mean, that's HOLO. I mean, why would you put that in a microcloud hologram? Guys, I get it, but come on. Well, it didn't get up to $1.50, Kim. So I think I am going to jump off here for a little bit, go do these errands. Kim, I appreciate you staying with me this whole time. I really do. It means something to me. And I appreciate you. I don't forget that stuff. So if you ever need anybody subscribe to your channel, if you have anything, you let me know. If there's any stocks you ever want me to check out, you just let me know. If there's any stocks you'd like to make me have videos on, I definitely do some. We can start, getting away a little bit from HOLO, not making so many, videos on microcloud hologram, and maybe it's time to start talking about applied, guys. I mean, it really is looking like that. I mean, I'm telling you, it just keeps, market is turning though, but it just keeps, it looks good, guys. Applied Digital, $7.27, if I would have bought a call on that today, I would have been doing pretty good. As a matter of fact, do I have a call on Applied? $10 call by February 21st. I have on applied. So okay, Kim. Well, I will talk to you later. Thank you so much, and I will just see you guys next time. If something goes on later on in the market, we will definitely be getting into it. But I appreciate you guys. Happy trading. Let's go. HOLO's going to pop one day, and if not, we're going to move on to something else and make up that money. I promise you guys. But you guys take care. Thanks so much for tuning in.